In our daily lives, we all are concerned about our health. Healthy daily meals are considered a luxury for more than 3 billion people. South Asian foods are considered the unhealthiest food in the world. Well, hunger in Bangladesh is an issue that affects millions of citizens. According to UNICEF, in Bangladesh, 40% of the country falls under three categories: hunger, starvation, and chronic hunger. Some of the side effects of hunger consist of malnutrition, undernutrition, child stunting, and child wasting. Here comes the most saddest part, which is agricultural pollution. The factory farming, transport, and slaughter each year contributes an estimated 37% of global greenhouse gas emissions. More than 90% of crop varieties have disappeared from farmers' field. So what's the solution of all of this miserable situation? Well, we have a new idea, which is plot to plate. Basically, we are creating a more efficient food system that is more nutritious and healthier than the usual one. We are opening P2P rural stores that will grow microgreen using hydroponic vertical farming in a container farm. We are opening P2P farms that will grow various types of vegetables using hydroponic vertical tower farming. So what do you think about Bangladesh? I mean, it's not like that we can't grow enough vegetables. We grow a lot in Bangladesh every year. But a large number of vegetables become spoiled in the transportation process. Since we cannot solve the transportation problem efficiently, to solve this problem, we are bringing farms to the customer. Many of our traders use harmful preservatives and colors so that the vegetables are not spoiled in the transportation process. So now you may ask, how can you assure that we won't use those harmful chemicals? Well, the answer is quite simple. We just don't need to. Because we are delivering foods directly from pot to your plate. We are using 90% less land. We will grow 90% more food. We will use 90% less water and 90% less chemicals. We will have full-grown vegetables within 26 days and grown microgreens within 7 to 12 days. Our vegetables have much vibrant, bolder, fresh and flavor and taste for sure. This is our business model. This is our revenue model. This is our website, which is under development. And this is our delivery product. Thank you so much, everyone.